Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to begin with our Microbit tutorials. I'll show you how to start using your Microbit. The website you're looking at is microbit.org. Click on Microsoft Make Code. Once you're in the web page, click New Project. You can program in this website and transfer it to your Microbit using USB cables. This website has a virtual Microbit which we'll be using in this video. You can use either blocks, JavaScript or Python. In this video, we are going to use blocks. On the right side, you can see the screen where you will be working with your code. And on the left side, you have a preview of your Microbit. So let's begin. Click on Basic. Drag the Show LED block into the forever loop. Draw any pattern you like and it will be displayed in the left side. We also have Show Icon option. Here you have a variety of options. Choose the one you like and display it. You can also display numbers. We also have the facility to show string. You can type your name in it. It will be displayed letter by letter. Click Input. Click on button A pressed and drag it. Choose a block and make a pattern you like. All these blocks are under on button A pressed and this will be displayed only when the button A is pressed. Similarly, we can do this for button B also. And display it. We get our preview for both A and B when we click the respective buttons. You can also have a third option of choosing A plus B. We also have the facility to display music, we can also play melody, Once you have finished coding, connect your USB cable to your computer and connect it to a microbit and transfer this code into it.